In this video, I will show you step by step how you can import contacts to your email marketing inside Beacons.Ai. So once you've logged in to your account and you're on the main page, you want to go to the left hand sidebar here, scroll down and then select email marketing. Once we click on email marketing, if we go to the top option right here, once we click on email marketing, if we go to the top of the page right here and scroll over until you see the option for audience, select this. That will then bring you over to this page, and currently, as you'll notice, I have gotten 0 contacts. So if I want to import my emailing list, what I can do is select import audience members. That will then give me the option if I want to upload via CSV file, import from another tool such as MailChimp, or add email addresses manually. Now what you can do is click on upload a CSV file. Click on the upload button right here and then drop your CSV file into this box. And then once you do this, any emails that are contained within that CSV file will be then uploaded to your Beacons account. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can import contacts to Beacons.AI.